Welcome to Appliance Advisors with EL Appliance. I'm Francesco, joined as always by Dennis.
How you doing today, Fran?
Very good, very good. So today we're going to talk about steam cooking, and something we hear about a lot. And really the main question is kind of like, is steam cooking worth it? A lot of people talk about steam, about vegetables and things like that, but just overall, what do you think? Is it worth it?
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, if it's something that intrigues you, you should come to a store that has it live and learn more. But steam is fantastic. It's not just vegetables, right?
Yeah.
So you can use it for roasting, to keep moisture in food or meats even. Things like breads, putting a crust on a bread. You actually, steam does amazing with that. You can cook pasta, you can rehydrate and keep moisture in food, keeps nutrients in. So, it's kind of endless. And again, it was really, it's an education to understand all the benefits steam can have. It's not just, cooking vegetables. What do you think?
Yeah, I absolutely love steam, and I think it's a great alternative way to cook. And like you said, a lot of people, you hear steam and it thinks of vegetables, but there's so much more. Even things like some turkeys and roasts and things like that are really difficult at times to kind of keep moist and kind of get dried out quickly in a standard oven. It helps you almost makes it kind of a dummy-proof way to cook some of those things and be able to kind of make a nice moist roast, chicken, the proteins, those sort of things. There's just way more that you can do with the steam oven, I think, than people realize.
Yeah, and even occasionally when you overcook, which is going to happen, you overcook, say it was a meat, and you overcook it, because maybe, who knows, there's a million variables as to why you'd overcook something. But at that point there, if it's still moist, it still tastes really, really good, and if you're somebody that's on the fence of, hey, listen, am I ready to commit to a quote unquote steam oven, you're seeing a trend, which we can talk on later episodes, but about the concept of steam assist. So some of these ovens actually coming out, or ranges coming out with actually a function where there's a small reservoir of water that it's not the full complement of a steam oven per se, but it can do things like we talked about with breads and roasts, and it adds that element, that additional benefit to some of the features of steam.
Awesome. So that's a good intro into steam cooking. So on our next episode, we're actually going to dig a little bit deeper, and we're going to talk about some of the steam cooking brands to consider. So we hope you'll check that out. Thank you for checking out this episode of Appliance Advisors, and we'll see you next time.
See you soon.